We did an amazing cruise this summer in Komodo National Park with Captain Komodo. It's a 3-day and 2 nights boat tour. We did it with an amazing crew and other travelers from all around the world, and we discovered the unbeatable spots of Komodo National Park. The first day on this tour we visited Kelor Island and climbed up the hill. Then we snorkeled in Manjarite around a nice jetty. In the late afternoon we visited Kalong Island, a mangrove island with beautiful red rocks. For sunset we anchored close to the island and saw thousands of bats over Kalong. That was a really stunning moment. Next morning there was another highlight. We saw the sun rising over Padar Island. The lush green of the beautiful mountains on the island with a view of 5 beaches is really incredible. After that we visited Pink Beach. That beach also has various kinds of amazing marine life and coral reefs. Next stop was Komodo Island. it is the best place to meet the Komodo dragons. We saw 4 of them lying under trees in the shadow and 1 in action. That was another highlight of that cruise. Now it was time for another snorkel at Manta Point. It's the perfect place to spot manta rays, a huge marine creature that can grow up to 4 meters wide. Manta rays are one of the extinct animals on Earth. We saw 6 of them, and that's really rare. So we were lucky in that moment to watch them dancing and floating through the ocean. Sunset we enjoyed from Taka Makassar. Taka Makassar is a tiny island smaller than a football field. It has a peculiar shape of a drop with white sand mixed with pink sand. It is surrounded by shallow turquoise waters that looks too good to be true. It only comes up during the time when the seawater is receding. Next day after breakfast we headed to Siaba Besar. It's also called the Turtle's Nest, where we enjoyed snorkeling with some of them. At the end of our snorkel we had the pleasure with a nice big shark. Our last stop was Kanawa Island. It's considered one of Southeast Asia's most idyllic islands, fully surrounded by spectacular reefs. Snorkeling around Kanawa in the pristine waters was another big highlight of that trip. We enjoyed the Komodo National Park to the fullest and will come back, that's sure.